Want to learn how to make a professional deep house track from start to finish with every step explained, even without a singer or expensive plugins? Then welcome to our brand new course, Deep House with AI Enhancement.
I'm ready to love again, to open up, to let you in. I'm ready to feel again. No more hiding, let it begin.
I'm Jay from Born to Produce, and this course will give you the hands-on techniques that you need to bring your music productions to life. What's more, we delve into the world of AI to help us make our production even better. And don't worry, we know what we're talking about. We've been teaching courses for 12 years. Let's take a look at the course. In Module 1, you'll learn how to set up your DAW like a pro, create your first chord progression idea, and prepare FX channels for later use. We also see how AI can help us with coming up with ideas if you're suffering with writer's block, which we all get. Module 2, we dive into the pro bassline formula. Using the free Vital synth, you'll learn how to build your own multi-layer bassline consisting of a sub, mid and top layers. And this is to build a deep, clean and punchy low end that drives your track forward. Absolutely essential for deep house. Module 3 is all about AI vocals. Don't have access to a singer or don't have the budget? This is no longer a problem. You'll learn how to generate, extract and polish vocals using the latest AI tools. And to make those vocals shine and sound professional, we teach you how to apply compression, EQ, reverb, delay and clean up plugins. In Module 4, we focus on the song arrangement, in particular how to build an engaging structure that evokes emotion. You'll learn how to build a structure that takes listeners on a journey using tension and release to create impact and emotion and keep them pulled in. Module 5 teaches you how to glue all the pieces together with sound effects and transitions. You'll learn how to choose the right risers, sweeps and impacts and where to place them so your track flows smoothly and sounds fully polished. And on to the final module, Module 6, we bring everything together in our mix and master sessions. From EQ and compression to detailed automation, fine-tuning and loudness mastering, you'll finish your track with clarity, power, punch and polish, all ready to compete with other pro tracks out there. So by the end of this course, you won't just have a finished track, you'll have the skills and confidence to make professional deep house music again and again. So come and join us and thousands of other students at Born to Produce all around the world and start learning today. All the best.
Ready to love again. I've been lost, but I'm found. In this moment, I'm unbound. Let the rhythm take me higher, burn me clean with your fire. I'm ready to love again, to open up, to let you in. I'm ready to feel again. No more hiding, let it begin. I was broken, now I'm whole. A new beginning for my soul. Through the darkness I'll ignite the spark inside that feels so right. I've been lost, but I'm found. In this moment, I'm unbound. Let the rhythm take me higher, burn me clean with your fire. I'm ready to love again, to open up, to let you in. I'm ready to feel again. No more hiding, let it begin.